Ilichapunapu Kurumjari. I just minor video got Haduga Tauda Vasika Tauda Banedo. Huzik, Kaino, Tanodo, Zabi Moldo, Amanatorami, the Amanatomi Modus Minor, Kaino Munika, you Nauraga, mean a put and a black and blue and put that lay local people, Naga and Toraga. So talk about Tokama, the Kadai, this Hadala Inoma. Tauraga, photo ga Taura Salai, Abraganoma Tauraga Sandore, Tongani, Oidaba, Padavanga, election Matam the show, don't Tonari, Nupi Ohumlo, Liga and Nupi Ohungi, Maminga PB, the Gate Zat Kano University, get Tantokra Vaniga and hiding but the Haiba, Adu Mama Tobani, Adugi type that, see, you know, no did not say politics, they are the elements in on the high school, I'm 20 and so. One should be ready. I am perfectly alright. I was used to meeting Tauri, Manipur Masam, the Pami, Mamanga. Mine, Moon also mine was say some Tare, the Gay, Nupina, so hide ever, the Gaina, Chatlaga, but clarify the roads of the talk so in the Chanat Panadam. I am perfectly so talked about the talk. Social media, I see not any way the Mamang Laga, Masa Inesum Kanbada. Nasaigi Manipur would Tugaina Silakpa sectarian ideology, the communal mindset, the Tauraga, there is the minority, right? Kimaming Dama Tauraga Manipur, the Tugaina Bonarapa Kambu, Mogi Mayok Tangang Bagi, Gari, the Gamoina Taugiba, the Tugai Kokaina, Taurakiba, on the Singer Kiba, Ade Kambu, Delina Pamu, Pam Amato, Tauraga, Masigi Mayokta, Nangu, Bagi sounding the Oida part of Lamchat Chazat. Taxi Kasi Kai, the Hazard of Ninga, the Tumete, make Nagamingi, because we also look and Tauriba Mayam. Subumba Manipuri, Yegnaba Haitare, Manipurgi, the Giakogi, Kunaigi, Yegnaba, Hona Lonchat Kangaba, Kambu, Hoi Marakta, Makogi, Deligi dictator, Chatpuduyan, in the Buggy, Nang over Gishhaugana, Internet, Facebook, the Tato Tatunanga, Liba Kambu. Amadi Manipur Tugai Honorable community gi lead Tori by my elite Krana Tauraga, Angangs in the misguide to be the na Tauraiba sectarian ideology, the Chapakanguna, Moy and Moiskum was in a dum Sandok and a dum Taurakanesa is part of politics. So this rumor, don't believe it, I am perfectly alright. A non-event is turned into an event and spread on social media. And some people will thrive on that, and our legal team is looking into it. Already we're in touch with the cybercrime branch here. We will take the necessary actions, but in the meantime, thank you so much for your concerns. I am perfectly okay. I am just having a meeting with the delegates here. So I just take a break because they started saying that there are a lot of messages coming in. So I'm perfectly all right. Thank you for your concerns. Please do not believe in these kind of rumors. Get ready as the fight becomes more intense. For the dignity of Manipur and for our well-being, for our own historical sense of responsibility as performed, I expect more such kind of false rumors to come up, and let's get ready for that. But we shall overcome and we will win and defeat these inimical forces of our people and our state. Thank you so much.